Yo, what's poppin', everybody? I am back with another video, and today it's super quick. I'm just showing you guys how I take down these crochet twists, 132 mini twists coming down. So I'm gonna show you how I did this, and I'm gonna show you two ways. So the first way is to preserve the twist if you want to use it again, which I did, and bam, like that's it. Like, it's that easy. This is real time. I didn't fast forward it, so that's how it goes in real time. That's if you want to reuse the twist, which I did. You should check out that video, by the way. I did a braidless version to this for those of you guys who cannot cornrow. So if you don't know how to cornrow, I did a version showing how you can get the same style with the no cornrows. And the second way is the fastest way, is if you don't care for the twist, yo, you just cut that out of your hair and you pop that little root out so quick. This is like the quickest method. It's so fast. I would do this all over my head if I didn't need the twist, but I needed it to do the second video, as I said. So again, go make sure you check out that braidless version to this video, well, to this hairstyle if you haven't already, and share it with your friends. And yeah, that was it. So I just wanted to speed it up a little bit, show you guys how I did this all over my head. They come out so easy. The only time I use the scissors method is when I was getting some trouble, because if you crochet the hair into your head kind of like weird, like not neatly, it could get knotted. So a few of them gave me trouble, and I was like, I'm not about to sit here and fight up with you. Like, we're gonna cut you out. So I just cut those ones out, but most of them came out very, very easily. And yeah, this process takes like about 30 minutes. No big deal. This is an example right here of when they give you trouble. Don't stress, don't waste your time. Like, cut that bad boy out and you're done. And that's it. Like, it was so easy, so quick. And these are all of the pieces that I cut out. So as you can see, out of 132, they're not many. So thank you guys so much for watching. That is all. We're done. Make sure you go check out how I did this hairstyle. It's so cute. So many of you guys liked it. I'm happy you guys liked it. Let me know any other hairstyle that you would like to see. Also, go follow me on Instagram, because I sell wigs over there for $120 flat rate. And go subscribe to my new channel. I will have new videos there soon. Peace.